Now I am one of the best hunters in the world. I got from the green skin-coloured worm to the American tiger to the goose, the duck, the chicken, the wallaby, to everything. But the only thing I don't have is a Kutchi Bird. That's the only one thing I do not have. If I get that bird, I'll be the millionaire of the month. I'll just be handing out money. He's one of the most special birds in the world. It's just time for me to catch him.
Hello, I'm a Kutchi Bird. I'm a rare endangered flightless bird, and there's only 5 of me left in the world. And my hobbies are running, jumping, and eating.
Where is this bird? I've been looking for years. I'm in the African jungle. He's wearing a red shirt. He's not very hard to spot. It's like... Now I'm known to be the richest person on earth. I'm just going to sell him for millions at the auction and be so rich. Richest man on the planet, mate.
Excuse me, poacher. Do you have a permit to hunt this bird?
Well, no.
Then I guess you're just going to have to come with me. That seems nice and tight. Nice and tight. Well, I'll get more for a poacher than I will for this dumb, silly Kutchi Bird. And secretly, even though I'm a ranger, I don't actually care about the environment. All I care about is money. And I'm going to make so much money from selling this poacher to the terrorists. I'm really tired though. Oh, that barb looks like a good place to sleep. Let's just have a quick nap. Hey! Stop right there. Oh, I'm really gonna get you now. Ah! Bing! Ow. What are you doing? Get off me!
I really like you, Kutchi. Now you can go back onto the whale. I'll never poach again in my life because that bird showed me a reason not to.